Up in Burlington, there's a farm that's the very definition of a family operation. Although there's a long history before them, today, Knutzen Farms is home to 3 generations who have all gathered to share some wisdom with me. We have Roger and Luann as the 4th generation, their children, siblings Craig and Christy, and then the future of the operation, cousins Tyler and Dan, as the 6th generation to work on the farm. For the Knutzens, trusting that your family knows what they're doing is the key to success.
Things are changing so fast that it's pretty hard for a past person that's been involved in the farm to put his ideas forward because the technology is beyond belief. Each morning when my parents would get up and grandparents would get up, because this ground is only 8 feet above sea level, it was very mucky. And so the first thing the crew had to do was put on what's called a tule shoe. It's like a snowshoe on each foot on the horse in order to keep sinking in. And now, when they get in a tractor, they have GPS that is far beyond what I could even run a tractor for right now. I mean, I couldn't run a tractor. I can steer it, but that's about it. When you think about that technology and what's taken in just 2 generations' time, it's pretty amazing what they've carried this business into.
Turns out a family business means all hands on deck.
One time we have 3 children and Roger needed help down in the field on the combine. I knew I couldn't leave Craig home with the 2 girls because that wasn't going to work. I put him in the cab of the combine and down we went. Everybody helped. You know, everybody worked on the farm, everybody helped, and then when we got done, we'd come home and eat.
All hands on deck still, right? What does it mean to be a part of this legacy?
It's really special. You know, when you see the pictures, when you talk about their names, you actually had sat on their lap.
For almost 150 years, the 11th commandment in our family is, "Thou shalt not sell the farm." And we've held that.
We're not forgetting what legacies we have in the past, what we've learned from those generations and their hard work and efforts.
You know, farms aren't gifted, they're bought. Mm-hmm. And it doesn't matter if it's generational. That is the challenge, is to make sure that we can move forward in our own direction.
I'm very passionate about it. I know Craig's passionate. Mm-hmm. I know my parents were passionate. I know those ahead of us were passionate. And those coming are too.
I still have them as a resource. I get to go to Grandpa if I need something. I get to go to Craig. I get to go to Christy. I even get to go to my cousin Tyler. He has his own expertise too. So to be able to pull on all that expertise makes the job a lot easier.
Yeah. It's a very special place to be.
Yeah.
I feel very fortunate to be part of it.
But for the kids, farming wasn't an expectation. It was a choice that they had to make.
Mom and Dad very much expected any of us that were to come back to make sure that we had a full education and college degree.
By working off the farm for a period of time, which all of them did, they don't have to go somewhere else to determine if it's better on the other side. They know. They've seen both sides.
Not only can you bring some other skills back to the farm from working off of it, but you can appreciate the differences between working for somebody else and having to work for yourself.
It also gives them the opening. If they want to continue there, they're more than welcome to. But they're always welcome back.
Don't stop believing in agriculture. Wave when you see, a farmer. And understand that we're here, we're trying to do our best to produce food. We're not just bettering us, we're bettering all people.